Hey guys, welcome back to ASAP. Now today's video is about a feature that lets you read a passage in Microsoft O365 applications. In case you are in a hurry or you don't have time to read out a passage, then this is a very handy feature. You can ask your O365 application to read out a passage for you. At the top you can see Customize Quick Access Toolbar. If you click onto that, then you can see the Read Aloud feature that lets you read a passage automatically. Now in case this feature is not available in your toolbar, then just go into More Commands, scroll down, and here you can add this feature, Read Aloud, and then click on OK. Now you can see that we've got a shortcut at the top. If you click on that button, first you need to select the text that needs to be read out, and then if you click on the Read Aloud shortcut, then Microsoft will read out the text like this.
This channel explains latest features of Microsoft O365 applications.
Okay, now Microsoft has also provided some basic tools where you can read out the previous line, or you can read out the next line, or you can even play or pause the audio while it is being played. And to the right, if you go into further settings, you can select the speed at which audio is being played, that is the reading speed, or you can also select a different voice. Now Microsoft has also provided a shortcut for this feature. If you go into review, then here you can see Read Aloud speech. Now if you click on that, then your selected text will be read out. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to check out our Microsoft O365 playlist for more such cool features. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.